Aren't you curious to know what fun we could have together? My words trailing shivers down your spine. Why not come listen to my original night audio works and select scripts from talented writers? Join me for adventure, drama, chilling thrillers, comforting slice of life, and other stories you crave to hear in my voice. Let me be with you every step of the way. So tell me, how would you like to spend your time with your humble knight?